How to win Temu games without sharing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. While on Temu, most of the games are related with social media and participation. But if you want to win on Temu, first thing first, it typically involves snagging deals or participating in promos. Now we are looking to do so without sharing, focus on Temu's flash sales, limited time offers, and group buying promos. Likewise, another such key strategy is to make the most of Temu's welcome bonuses and new user promotions. These often include coupons and cash bonus, which do not typically require sharing to benefit from. Remember, staying active and keeping an eye on the app will help you catch the deals. Additionally, make sure that you follow all the daily quests and quizzes. If you participate on these programs properly, you should be able to win on Temu without having to share. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.